Listen.
Alright, I thought you guys were kind of being a little sissy with the ice challenge, so I decided to fill up a bathtub with ice and jump in that. But, so, you guys don't have to do as big as I did, but I want to challenge Chris, because I know you'll do it. Brandon, you can't let people know that I'm more awesome than you. Devin, just because I want to see if you do it or not. Amelia, because I want to see you do it next to a kangaroo. Austin, you can't let people know that I'm manlier than you. And Pulkit, because I know you're in India and it's really hot, so I think you need a chance to cool down. And if you don't do it, you can donate, since you're all college students, donate as much money as you want to any charity that you want. The Nicholas Camera Fund is also open for business. And let's get this thing going. Okay. Oh, it's frozen.
Just sit down, it ain't that.
Oh.
Okay, now scoot over in the middle.
Oh.
You'll be okay. Stay right there.
Oh, there you go.
Amanda, Tina.
Oh, go!
Yeah,
Wait!
You have sunglasses on?
yeah, sunglasses.
Do it! Woo! Now it's your turn! Internet, what's up next? Cut. Oh my god, I'm gonna die of hypothermia.
No, stay in!
Why?
5 minutes!
freezing!
5 minutes! You
Five
said 5 minutes!
minutes, die.
You said 5 minutes, you're not gonna
Oh,
die!
I can't
You
die.
won't die, you're strong! Come on, Nick! Get in there, you're my intern!
Oh no, I
Passion
can't.
Art Photography rules!
Hey, you come feel this.
Passion Art Photography
Sponsored
rules,
by
bro.
Passion Art Photography. I'm gonna say it at the beginning. Oh no, I can't move my legs. I need to get out. My feet are getting numb. Oh my god, that was awesome. Sometimes, oh no, I can't. No, I can't anymore. Oh my god. I think that's the first time hypothermia.